Hi guys, so recently I have enrolled myself in an online workshop of robotics which is organized by Bolt IoT, and they have sent me a kit of robotics. So today I will be unboxing that kit and I'll show you all what is there in it, and I'll share my experience throughout this course. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So guys, this is the kit. So they have some order. Bolt. So this is what we get as soon as we open this. So the first device, which is first board, which is a Wi-Fi board. Wi-Fi board. Below this, we have got some wires. So we have got registers, few registers, maybe 1000, 1000 or 100 ohms. A buzzer, LRD, button switch, two LRDs. There is a register, transistor. So we'll keep this. LED strip, power supply. It's a power supply. DC, 12 volt DC adapter. Also made in India. Then we have sensors and motor drivers. In this, we have some jumper wires, female to female, 3-pin FF, switch module. Then we have many boards in this. Then we have 10 mm LED module, very powerful I think. Then we have proximity sensor. We have LRD sensor module, LRD sensor modules. Two we have. Then coming is potentiometer, which is already soldered with jumper wires, made jumper wires. And this is the Arduino brick shield. Basically Arduino shield. Then we have screwdriver and plier. A card. Then we have main machine mechanical part. We have chassis. So in this we have 360 wheel, a giant wheels, two wheels, motor, DC motor, which is I think 100 RPM, both of them, 12 volts. We have two of this. Then we have black tape, insulation tape, which is good, double-sided tape, And then we have it's a Boldino, and then we have a USB A to micro USB cable, a short small breadboard, some male to male jumper wires, and that's it. This is the main board of Boldino. I am saying this first time in my life. The whole board looks very good, very neat, properly soldered, everything. It's gonna be fun doing this, and the wires with them. I think this should be of better quality, of good quality. Yes, it's of good quality, and that so it's basically like a Arduino, but it has a separate extension for other things. I don't know, but we'll see throughout the course content which are this pin used for, and that's it. So guys, I will be making many projects on this particular kit. For that you need to be subscribed to our channel and hit the bell notification on, so that you will not miss any other videos from my side, and thank you for watching.